IELTS Speaking recently asked January to April 2025 new speaking topic. IELTS Speaking Part 2. Today's topic is describe an item of clothing someone gave you. You should say what the clothing was, who gave it to you, when you got it, and explain why the person gave you this clothing. I'll explain in Hindi so that everybody understands each and every piece of language clearly. Let's begin. First, number 1, ideas and vocabulary that you can use for this particular cue card. You could talk about type of clothing, t-shirt, dress, sweater, jacket, scarf, shoes, etc. Consider its style, formal, casual, traditional, it could be trendy, and features color, design, fabric, and comfort. Who gave it to you? It could be a family member, example, mother, father, sister, or brother, a close friend or colleague, and it could be on a special occasion, birthday, holiday, celebration, or special gift. When you got it. Now, these are bullet points, and this is really, I would say, vitally important to mention all these bullet points. It could be specific time, example, last year, a few months ago. Occasion could be birthday, Christmas, graduation. Why the person gave it to you? Now, this is a very important question. They noticed your need for that item or that you were interested in it. It was a thoughtful gesture for an occasion, right? Example, to celebrate a milestone or to keep you warm in winter. They simply wanted to make you happy or surprise you. Now here we have Band 9 vocabulary for this particular cue card that you can use. Practical, useful and convenient. Timeless, a design that doesn't go out of fashion. Thoughtful, considerate and caring. Cherish, to hold something dear and value it. Cozy, comfortable and warm, often used for winter clothing. Compliments, positive feedback from others. Sentimental value, the emotional importance attached to something beyond its material value. Elegant, graceful and stylish. Now let's see sample answer, our Band 9 model answer, and we'll also analysis language used in this particular cue card. Let me tell you about a beautiful item of clothing that I received as a gift from my mother a few months ago. It's a cozy knitted wool sweater which she gave me for my birthday. I had been looking for a warm, stylish sweater for the winter, and she knew exactly what I needed. Cozy. Now this is a vocabulary. Comfortable and warm, often used for winter clothing. And I've also used past perfect continuous tense, had been looking. The past perfect continuous tense is formed by using had been and the ing form of a verb. Knitted wool sweater. Make sure that you use a range of grammatical structures if you are aiming at 7+ band score in IELTS speaking. Knitted wool sweater, a warm knitted garment that covers the upper body and arms and is made from wool or a similar thread. The sweater is a soft, cream-colored piece with a classic cable knit design, which makes it both timeless and elegant. The texture is so thick and comfy, which makes it perfect for cold days. I remember being genuinely surprised when I opened the gift because I didn't expect such a thoughtful present. Timeless, a design that doesn't go out of fashion. Elegant, graceful and stylish. Thoughtful, considerate and caring. Genuinely surprised, now this is an idiomatic expression, fantastic for this sample answer. Adds sincerity to the response. My mother chose this sweater because she knows how much I value both comfort and style. And she wanted to get me something I could wear every winter. Plus, she had noticed me admiring similar styles in a store recently, so she decided to pick it up for me. The fact that she paid attention to my preferences really made the gift even more special. The grammar, again, I have used here past perfect. रिमेंबर, जब भी अगर आपको ग्रामेटिकल स्ट्रक्चर आपको शो करते हैं, जब भी आप रेंज दिखाते हैं, सो मेक श्योर कि आप पास्ट परफेक्ट, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पास्ट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस, राइट? Try to show a wide range of grammatical structures if your target band score is 7+. खास तौर पे अगर आप GT कैंडिडेट हैं. Confident style, aspects of fashion, admiring to feel respect. The moment I received the sweater, I felt incredibly grateful, as it was not just a practical item, but also a token of her love and care. I've worn it several times since then, and each time I put it on, I think of how much effort she put into choosing the perfect gift for me. It's a piece that combines both emotional and practical value, and every time I wear it, I feel warm not only because of the material, but also because of the memories attached to it. The connectors here, I've used connector the moment. That means the point, right? A specific time. Grammar, I feel incredibly grateful. This is present tense for current feelings. Fantastic, again I would say for IELTS speaking. Idiomatic expressions, token of her love and care. Shows affection and emotional connection. I truly cherish this sweater and the thoughtfulness behind it. And I've received so many compliments on it whenever I wear it. I think it's a perfect example of how clothing can carry emotional significance and be more than just an item of fashion. Here I've used contraction of I have, right? I have. Now this is really vitally important. Agar aapka target score is 7+ band score, so please try to use contractions, right? Instead of saying I have received, use I've received. Use contractions if your target band score is 7+. All right? Collocation, truly cherish, to feel or show affection. Again, present perfect tense I've used here. Okay, so that's the end of this video lesson. And if you want to join our premium IELTS mastery course, there you'll get more than 300+ sample answers like this, advanced sample answers, plus you'll get intro questions, cue cards, follow-up questions, all the latest cue cards, January to April 2025. And to get free PDF of this video, join our Telegram channel, Arun IELTS Classes. You can get free PDF of this video lesson. Arun IELTS Classes is our Telegram channel. The link is in the description below. And also, let me know in the comment section below that how is today's sample answer and which sample answer you want me to make next video for IELTS Speaking cue card. Thank you for watching and listening to Arun Vashist.